Good afternoon, guys. To create an Amazon account, it's a very simple one. All you have to do is you download Google Authenticator and Amazon Shopping app. So after downloading it on Play Store, you have to log in. You have to create an account with your email, the email address that you want to use for the Amazon shopping and for the Google Authenticator that you want to use to receive code. Make sure it's the same thing. So you create an account with them and you log in. So since I've already downloaded my own Amazon shopping app, I'll just log in now. Okay, this is my own Amazon. If you are new, you have to create a new account. But since I'm with them, I'm their customer. I'm already signed in, so I'll just sign in. But if you're just new, you create a new one. So after getting to this interface, the next thing to do now is come to this downside, this one that looks like woman. So after that, you click it. Then the next step is go to your account, this one, you click it. Then you come to your login and security, this place, you click it. Let it load. Think it's the service, sorry. Let me just pause it. Okay, so after, when it's pop up, you come to this two-step verification, this place. So you turn it on. I'll turn my own on now. So since we don't have US phone number and we are not from US, we are not going to use this first one. So we are going to click on this authenticator app, this one. So when you click it, it will come to this interface. You see, sometimes this code, this number 3, the code that they give us, sometimes when you copy it and paste it on your Google Authenticator, sometimes it will not bring the code that you want for you. So what I usually do is I will get another phone and snap this code, this QR code. Let me show you this QR code. I will snap it. So I will snap it with another phone. So I will snap it with another phone now. Let me do my own. So you do yours too. Um okay, I've taken a snap of my own. So what you will now do now is go to your Google Authenticator and you scan the QR code. You scan the QR code. Let me see. Where's my Google Authenticator? Okay, this is my Google Authenticator. And you click add the code, then scan QR code. So let me just scan my own now. So this is my own. This is the code. It will bring another one, 275185. 275185. You have to be fast. 275185. Then you click verify. So after verifying, then you click don't require OTP on this browser, and you click the yellow one. Got it? Turn on two-step verification. So after that, after you have done it, now what you have to do now is go to your browser and go to Amazon Kindle Publishing. So for this Google Authenticator, make sure you are fast about it so that the code won't expire. But once you if you are not fast about it, it will just expire and you have to wait for it to pop up another code again. So now what you do now is go to your browser. Where's my browser? Let me use Opera. Okay, so you just type in KDP Amazon login. Okay, so you click it, then you click sign in. You want to sign in. So the email that you used in registering your Amazon shopping app and the password, you put it. Let me do my own. Let me pause it. So I've input my own details. You just click sign in. It will require OTP again. So you go to your Google Authenticator. You go to your Google Authenticator to get the code. So this is the code 694 696 442 696 442. Oh fuck. Just wait. The code the code will have pop up on that one. You see? Let's wait for another one to pop. 862 462 826 462 826 462 826 462. Okay, you click on don't require OTP on this browser, then you sign in. Then you click on agree. You see this little agree there. You click on agree. Wow. So guys, that's how to check up. That's how to log in and create a new verified Amazon Kindle Publishing account. Thank you. To be sincere, I should have dropped the video since, but since that you guys are too much, like you on this, you've messaged me too much. That's why I decided to create a video instead of answering all of you one by one. So sorry for the delay. So have a nice time and enjoy your money. Let's not forget, guys. If you know you're still novice about this KDP stuff, I can still teach you more on how to maximize your earnings. You know how to create a good books and a lot of stores. You know, just to make sure your books are in front of the customers. So have a nice day, guys.